model, 70-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4X4 Auto 58K needs gearbox repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, orange 4x4. Mileage, 58,285. MOT, the 7th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0L EcoBlue 213 PS by Turbo D. Transmission, automatic 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately it has no drive. Selects gears, but does not move. Gearbox will need repairing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, tow bar, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, sat nav, alloy wheels. Euro state.